Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the color distortion effect on CapCut. I'm actually really excited to see what this does. So we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Glitch Effect, and find the color aberration or distortion effect. So click and drag it down to the timeline. We're going to scroll through with the player head. That's fire. Bring it to the end of the clip, bring it to the beginning of the clip, and bring it to the end of the clip. And now let's check it out. That's so cool. Okay, now what we can also do is bring the player head where we can kind of see the effect being utilized, and we can mess with the atmosphere of the effect, the blur of the effect, the color, the strength, glow, soft light, and speed. You guys can play around with these effects as you like. We can also add keyframes to it, but I kind of don't think you need keyframes for an effect like this. Wow, that's so cool. It's almost like I'm a Dragon Ball Z character, right? Not really, but close enough. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.